Aloha everyone! How have you been? Thank you so much for your sweet comments under my previous video. In today's video, I will be showing you some snacks that my friend and fan, Jeffrey Jones, sent to me from the States. So Jeffrey knows I'm a snack addict, but he also strongly believes in the importance of eating healthy. So thank you, Jeffrey, for sending me this package. Now, I do believe that your body's a temple and that you are what you eat. So I'm basically a giant walking cheeseburger. I mean, who am I kidding? I just can't say no to burgers and brownies. I love chocolate, chips, cookies, candy, cupcakes, cakes, cheesecakes, cannoli, cheeseburgers, everything that starts with a C. So, you know, who am I kidding? But I do try to make healthy choices. I am trying to eat more greens, getting more vegetables. Right now I'm going through this a celery juice phase, trying to detox. So it's something I'm working on. Like Jeffrey says, health and wellness is not something that you find, it's something that you build. You create every day by choosing what to put in your body, on your body, and around your body. And when we know better, we do better, which is true. There's also this misconception that healthy food is boring and healthy snacks are bland, but that's actually not always the case. And these snacks that I'm about to show you are going to prove that. The snacks in here are by the American manufacturer and distributor and wellness company called SHAKLEE, which has been around since 1956. Heartbreak Hotel was released in 1956. Anyway, I found out that SHAKLEE has provided some of their products to athletes as well as NASA astronauts. So let's go on this expedition. There are big bars in here that are actually meal replacement bars. See, they're called Meal in a Bar. This one is peanut butter and chocolate flavor. Let me try that first. This one here is white chocolate and cinnamon. And this one is blueberry and almond crisp. So I just can't resist peanut butter and chocolate. So, okay. You know what this reminds me of? Girl Scout cookies. The ones with, wasn't there one with peanut butter? I don't remember. But okay, so this is what the meal replacement bars look like. The peanut butter and chocolate one. You can actually see pieces of, you can see peanuts and chocolate chips. Yeah, it looks like a cereal bar. See, moment of truth. That is so good. What? This is like okay, I was gonna say it reminds me of yes, apart from cereal bars, like protein bars, you know, the ones you eat after going to the gym. Not that I go to gym. I eat the bars without going to the gym. But no, this is not, no, this is like, it's like you're eating a candy bar or something really, really decadent. It's almost as if I should be feeling guilty. But no. Oh. It's really delicious. I'm actually surprised. So this contains 20 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. And look at that. There's vitamin A, biotin, selenium, vitamin C, riboflavin, copper, calcium, niacin, vitamin D, magnesium, etc. And so it contains 270 calories. Yeah, many of these products are actually good for those of you who want to lose weight, who are on a diet. Wow, I'm really impressed. Now I'm going to try this white chocolate cinnamon meal in a bar. High quality soy protein, low glycemic, no artificial flavors, sweeteners, colors, or preservatives added. Gluten free. Okay, so if you're intolerant to gluten, you can have some of this. Let's take a look at this. Oh, this is a little darker. Look! White chocolate chips! Oh man, we don't have these in Italy. At least not at the supermarkets I've been to. Mmm. Mmm. That is amazing. You can really taste the cinnamon. This reminds me, it's also sticky, also like toffee-like. It reminds me of my mom's cinnamon roll buns. That is so good. I can't think of a better word. It's just so good. You guys gotta try them. I'll try this blueberry and almond crisp tomorrow. Now I'm gonna try some of these smaller snack bars. We have cherry and almond, toffee and chocolate crunch, and chocolate and coconut. I'm gonna go for the toffee and chocolate crunch. So these contain 9 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber and only 140 calories per bar. Look at that. This one's also kind of toffee-like. Looks like caramel. This one's really nice too. I don't know, I kind of taste some kind of a nutty flavor. Okay, maybe it's the, I don't know, the rice protein, brown rice protein, or the soy protein. It's very good. Yep. Like this too. Now I'm going to go for the chocolate and coconut. 9 grams of protein here too and 3 grams of fiber. Oh look, and the grated coconut on top. Yeah, these look like kind of like candy bars. And they're much healthier for you. This is really good. I can really taste the chocolate and the coconut. Kind of like Bounty. Can I say that? Okay, now we have another bar in here, but this one is called Fiber Advantage Chewy Apple Cinnamon Bar with 8 grams of fiber, 100% natural. This is what it looks like. Wow, I can really smell the apple. And the cinnamon. I think it's cinnamon. And this one is chewier. Gooier. It's really good. Yeah, I was like, it kind of reminds me of dates. In fact, there are dates in here. Date paste, raisin paste. So apple, organic molasses, organic kale, parsley, Cucumber, cauliflower, green pepper, celery? What? Broccoli, tomato, beets, cabbage, spinach. No way. That is so funny. Oh, this is an excellent way to get all your vegetables in a bar. And it doesn't even taste like vegetables. It's like you're having, I don't know, apple pie. How did they do that? You deceived me. You could never tell. You could never tell that there are broccoli in here. That is so cool. But now after all these sweets, I want something salty. I'm always like that, and it's like a vicious circle. Never ends, you know. I have something sweet, then I want something salty, then I want something sweet, then I want something salty. But see, Jeffrey also sent me this. These snack crisps, barbecue flavor. I adore barbecue. I'll have anything barbecue. Our barbecue snack crisps are seasoned to sweet and tangy perfection. And with 100 calories per serving and 6 grams of hunger-fighting protein, they don't contain a single ounce of guilt. Crave no more. These are also gluten-free, high-quality soy protein, low glycemic, no artificial flavors, sweeteners, colors, or preservative added. Wow. 100 calories in a bag. Look at that. This is what they look like. Yum. It tastes like corn. As if I'm eating, nachos or those corn snacks, but I'm not seeing any corn in the ingredients. So it says potato starch, defatted soy flour, soy protein concentrate, paprika, tomato powder, garlic powder. They are savory. Yeah, you can see the paprika on here. Yum. I am a potato chip addict, so I can see myself eating these a lot. And now, after eating all of these yummy SHAKLEE products, I'm going to have some tea. SHAKLEE's Energizing Pomegranate Tea. They come in these little bags, sachet. The cool thing is you can, it's powder, so you can put this in hot water or just cold water, or like in a bottled water. I'm going to put it here. Okay. See? Oh, it's a beautiful color. Look at that. It's like burgundy. This reminds me of Kool-Aid, but no artificial colors, you know? Only natural ingredients. Wow, that smells nice. This is fun. See? That's really refreshing. Kind of sweet, naturally sweet. I remember seeing a video of Jeffrey's where he actually puts some stevia if you want it to be sweeter. But it's good like this too. Wow. I'm already feeling very energized. Well, I'm really impressed. I really liked everything, especially the peanut butter and chocolate bars and the barbecue chips and the tea. I liked everything. These are guilt-free snacks low calories, low glycemic index, non-GMO, kosher, no artificial colors, preservatives. I felt like I was having something indulgent, you know, something naughty without stuffing my face with chemicals and preservatives and just junk. So thank you, Jeffrey, for introducing me to SHAKLEE, and thank you everyone for your constant support. I'm working on a few new videos, new covers, songs, so stay tuned. Sayonara.